Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube. If you're new here, I'm Marissa. In today's video, I am sharing with you guys how I created this MacBook wallpaper and how you can organize and customize your MacBook to be your own. So let's just jump right into it. So it's just gonna be a voiceover today. I did a video similar to this about a year ago and you guys loved it. It blew up. So we're gonna go a little bit more in depth. So as you can see, here is my background. We have my little folders tab, my little to-do with a little to-do list that I can, write whatever I have that day. So coffee date at 3 p.m., the goods. And then of course I have a calendar and just a few pictures to spice it up a little bit. I did kind of a fall-ish neutral theme, but you can do whatever you want. So let's just jump right into it. So I'm going to go to Google Chrome. I have one started here for my friend, but you're just going to go into Canva. So canva.com, this is where I create all my stuff. And what you're going to do is you're going to hit create a design. And depending on your screen size, I just screenshotted a photo of my lock screen. So Shift Command 3. And then I just put that on my desktop. And basically what you're gonna do, is right click it and hit get info. And under more info here, it'll tell you the dimension. So that's gonna be the perfect dimension that you wanna put into Canva. So it's 2880 by 1800. So we're gonna hit create a design here, custom size, and you're gonna do 2880 by 1800 or whatever your photo says, and hit create new design. So for this, you kind of want to have Pinterest up. I already kind of have it. If you need some some inspiration, I do have iPhone pics here, and it's all color coordinated and stuff. If you watched my iPhone customization video, then you probably have seen my Pinterest before. So anyways, let's just jump right into it. So I have my screen size, and I'm not going to change the color just yet. I'm going to find some of the photos that I like to add them on here. So first off, I'm going, I'll do something similar to what I kind of have going on right now. So I think I'm going to do this. So an easy way to get the photos from Pinterest to Canva is to right click on them and hit copy image. And then just hit Command V and that'll paste it right into Canva. So I'm going to start off with just this image first, because when you add a photo into Canva, when you go to change the color of backgrounds, it'll kind of pull, as you can see, the photo colors. And then you can set your background. So I think I'm gonna do a beige, but I kind of want it lighter. So I'm gonna mess around with the settings here. So I'm gonna do an off beige, like that. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, I'm gonna go into elements here because I'm gonna start adding in my boxes. So I'm going to go to lines and shapes, and you can do any shape that you want. I do the rounded, square. So I'm just going to add that. And you kind of really have to, play around with stuff and see how you like it. So I'm just going to put that to the side for now. So I'm going to make this one my, folders tab. So I'm going to make it kind of big. And then I'm going to put this one in the center. Kind of like that. And then I'm just going to Command copy this box and then Command V to paste it so I can put it over here. I think that's going to be my little to-do list. I'm actually going to put it down here. Now, you can have as many boxes as you want. I've done some examples where it's a work box. So I'll show that a little bit, and then I'll also put it onto my Pinterest for you guys if you're interested. So I'm gonna change the box colors because I'm just not feeling it, you know? I kind of want like a fall vibe, kind of. Just like a neutral brown tone, I guess, just like aesthetic, if you know what I'm saying. So for right now, I'm just gonna leave it this dark, but I'm gonna add some more photos in. So, what should I add? I really like this one, so I'm just gonna control copy, and I'm gonna paste that in here. And then with Canva, it's cool because you can like kind of like crop the image to how you want. So I'm actually gonna put that down here. And then let's see, here's that photo. So there's more like color schemes and stuff. I kind of actually like the dark, but maybe we'll bring it up just a little so it's not as dark. Yeah, I actually like that. Okay, I'm gonna find like a few more images, ones that I just like haven't used yet that I want to. So you really could just type in anything you want. Again, I do have this already set up with a bunch of photos, so if you're interested, definitely take a look at it. Some photos already on Canva that I have uploaded from Pinterest, so I think I'm gonna use those. Like, I kind of like this. No. Sometimes you just have to play around with stuff to see how you like it. So I'm gonna use these pumpkins. I don't like that. Maybe I'll use that. And there's like certain parts of the photo that I'm like, I don't really like that. So you just play around with it until it's something that you like, you know? Okay, I think we're getting places. I think we're gonna do something like that. So I'm just gonna like line everything up. So I kind of want to add like a calendar in here. So I already have one pulled up, but honestly, you can just go on Pinterest and hit like 2021, whatever the date is, October calendar, and just find one that you like, and then you can crop it. So I did this one, so I'll save it into my iPhone pics in case you guys are interested. So I already have it pulled up here, so I'm just gonna put it in, and I'm actually gonna crop it just so it has the days of the week and the dates, because I'm gonna add my own like thing to it. So I kind of want to change this photo because you can't really see it. So I think I'm gonna do, yeah, that one is really cute. And then I'm just gonna put it backwards. Okay, so I got my calendar here, and we're gonna add some text. So I'm gonna hit text here, add a heading, and I'm just gonna write October. And I'm gonna go up here to fonts, and I'm gonna find a font that I like. Lately I have been using this one, and I don't know what it's called, Virtual. I think it's really cute. Also, Allura is really cute as well. And actually, I think I'm gonna go with this one today. Whoops. So I'm just gonna place it up here where I want it, and I'm gonna play around with the color of it. So obviously you can't really see it right now, and that is totally fine. We're actually gonna hit effects here, and we're gonna hit shadow, and we're gonna put the transparency up all the way, and we're gonna just change the transparency. So I think I'm gonna do white, and then I'm gonna offset it just a little bit. And then I'm gonna go back and play around with the color and see how I like it. Like, maybe I wanna change the font. I think that this font is a little bit easier to read. Cute. Okay, and then we're gonna add text here. So I'm just gonna copy and paste the text, make it a lot smaller. This one is gonna say folders, because I have a lot of folders on my desktop that I kind of want to just not have all over the place. So I'm gonna make their own little box, and I'm actually gonna take the effects off because I don't really want an effect. And yeah, I don't know if I like the color of this box. I don't know, guys. What should I do? We'll keep it. Okay. Copy and paste that text again. And I'm going to make this one my to-do list. And I'll show you guys how I create the little box for it. I'm just going to center that. Okay. So this is what I have right now. So I'm going to just hit download. It's fine if it's a PNG or a JPEG, and then just hit download. So in our downloads here, I'm going to put it onto our desktop. And I'm going to get rid of this sticky note. And that way I can show you guys that. And I'm also going to show you guys how I changed the folder color as well. So first off, let's change our background. So you're just gonna right click and you're gonna hit set desktop picture. And there we go. So now it's all set. It's so cute. I'm very happy with it. This sunglass picture though could be more in line and stuff, but for the sake of the video, it is fine. So I'm just gonna put that into my wallpaper little folder here. Okay. I'm gonna move these over because, yes. So let's start off with the folders because that takes a little bit of time. So to change the color of any folder, first what you're gonna do is you're gonna right click and you're gonna hit get info. In the top left hand, click on that folder, so make sure it's highlighted around, and you're gonna hit edit, copy. Now you're gonna go into your Launchpad and go into the application that says preview. And then you're gonna hit file, new from clipboard. So mine already looks like this because I had changed the color, but your folder will probably look blue. So what you're gonna do is these three buttons in the center, you're gonna hit the last one that kind of looks like a marker that says show markup toolbar. And then you're going to go right here to this cone looking one. This is what changes like the color. So obviously mine's not blue right now. It was, I don't know. But you can play around with all of these settings. So you can play around with the tint. You can make it green, pink. I made it like this nice neutral color. But you also can like play around with the temperature. So I kind of like it like that. So get info and then click on it and then Command V once you have it all copied. And you'll just do that with all of your folders. So I'm gonna just change mine back. You don't have to keep this up. I'm gonna change all of mine back. So I'm gonna hit get info on the colors that I want and click on it, Command copy, and then go fix the rest. But that is how you change folder colors. And you can make like customizable ones if you want to on Canva, like a circle or something, and you basically will do the same thing. You will copy the image and then you'll paste it, essentially. So that's how you change the folder colors to look just aesthetic. Now let's move to the to-do list. So we're gonna open up Launchpad here and we're gonna type in stickies because we want a sticky note. So yours should automatically pop up but since I've been using mine, it doesn't. So I'm gonna go here to file new note. So it comes up with this really ugly yellow. We don't want that, but we will change it. So I'm gonna write out my to-do list for tomorrow. I wrote out my little to-do list here, and I'm just gonna make it small just like that to fit in my box. So I'm first gonna change the font here, the font color. So you're gonna go up to here while having it like highlighted. It should say stickies up here. You're gonna hit font, you're gonna hit show fonts. Now, I download a lot of free fonts from dafont.com, which I'll leave down below for you guys. So if you want to like find cute fonts, you can always download them. So I'm just going to go through and kind of find a font that I like. I think this one's cool. Manello. I think it comes with your computer. And then you can obviously change the size of the fonts. So that is done. Now I want to get rid of this ugly yellow. So I'm going to hit color, and these are your options to pick from, which are kind of lame, but I'm just going to hit gray, and there you go. Super cute. And that is how you make a little to-do list. Here's a customizable, like organized wallpaper for your MacBook. Now, like I said, you can customize it however you want. Let me show you another one that I did for my sister. She wanted one for work. So we did this one where it has work. So she could put all of her like work assignments or like deadlines, folders, and then her to-do list. And we did it like that. So you really can do it however you want. I also have this one that I made. You can really customize it however you want with the colors that you want. Currently, I have this one going on for my friend who likes like matcha greens and nudes and tans and browns. So like I said, you can do it however you want. So that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe. If you want more customization videos for like your MacBook or phone, let me know down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!